Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Digital Underground, featuring Tupac. Digital Underground, Shock G, the late Shock G. Now, if you guys don't understand, I was thinking about this song that's about to play in our background just yesterday. Now, that's Shock G when he was a youngster. But Shock G is Humpty Hump. Because all around the world. Now you know where Tupac and Snoop Dogg and them got there. Let's just all around the world the same. You know what I'm saying? Ladies and gentlemen, now you see what I just did, how I turned the volume down? Now I want y'all to understand, the videos y'all were hearing where the volume stayed up louder than anything. Ladies and gentlemen, what y'all need to understand is that's not me doing that. Okay? It's the information I'm talking about that's causing them to do that. Now, if you don't believe me, listen to this that you're listening to right now. Shock G of Digital Underground. This is where Tupac was introduced into the world. Okay? Tell him. Oh, you know what? I gotta be careful. I can't play the video. I have to minimize it because if I don't, they will flag it for copyright infringement because of the digital signature. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's louder in my ears than it is on yours. Okay, but that's Digital Underground. And what I don't want to do, I got to go back to digital because what I don't want to do is I don't want to play the next song and I have it to where it goes to the next song. So let's put a stop to that because all around the world it is the same song. Everybody got the same old story, same old dry. Anyway, now this particular rapper, I don't even know his name, but I do know I like his style. Always liked his style. Okay, he's a tongue twister. All right, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gents, I am so glad that we got to introduce you to this particular group. At least two of the members no longer with us right now. Shock G, pretty good person, pretty good rapper. I had a lot of respect for Mr. Shock G. Okay, now we have something I need to. I don't normally promote other people's videos. Why? Because no one can do it like I do. This is Tupac. It's just the same. Tell them. Digital Underground, ladies and gentlemen. In my background, in your background. What I want you to do, this video is called The Secrets of the Industry. The secrets of the industry. Pay attention. The legal industry secrets. The legal industry secrets. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to tell you. I know nothing about the channel because the channel is not the one who did the video. Pay attention. This is old school. The way the law is supposed to be. The legal industry secrets. YouTube it. Look it up. That's right. You're going to give some hits to this site, but you do that. It claims that this was put up 2 days ago. But if you're listening to it, you know it wasn't done 2 days ago. Okay? I'm trying to see if they have any notations in here about when it was done. And I don't know when it was done. And I agree with them turning the comments off because they don't want to hear all the people trying to bash it. Now, I don't agree with everything that's said in this video. Every single thing? No, because I can say, no, it's proved here that that's not the way it is anymore. However, the substance of this video is on point. Now, before we talk about that substance, because there are two videos that I need to show you guys, this is one of them. Okay? But before we go there, no, we're not going to go there. We're going to go here before we go there. Oh no, we don't want Digital Underground. Just need to make sure the other video is not here. There's another video I need to show y'all. So I need y'all to hold on. Because all around the world, the same song. I want you to understand, this video, a lot of loud music. I didn't intend for that. So guess what I have to do? Go back and listen to the videos now. Most of them have the music taken out. I have to go to YouTube because I don't have the software to do it myself. I don't have the time, so I let YouTube do it. So I go here. I say, hey, YouTube, you said there's music there and you turned it on too loud. Y'all did that on purpose? Because y'all yeah, okay. I see how it is. Sorry, I have a meeting in a couple of minutes and I can't take the songs out, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, no, I have to wait. Sorry. The reason why I can't take the song out because I didn't let the video populate all the way. It has to populate all the way. So while it's doing that, let's go ahead and talk about the legal industry secrets. They tell you that there are 4 pillars to every case. 4 legs, not 3, not 2. Without these 4 elements, no case can stand. He even tells you how to do, well, not how to do a quo warranto, but the reasons for why you would want to do a quo warranto. Go ahead, talk to ChatGPT. Hey, what is a quo warranto? How is it legal? What does it do? Who can file a quo warranto? Ask those questions, and you'll get the answer to what a quo warranto is. Okay? It is an ancient writ. It's called a writ of quo warranto. If you don't know the writ, then you don't know. So that means you got to learn. So you will learn. Well, he said you must learn, but you will learn, you must learn, same thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I had some idiots talk about that EEON is blah, 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 don't have all the antics in his videos anymore. Who are they talking about? Because I know they don't know, I know they ain't been listening to my videos lately. Anyway, again, the people who are saying stupid things like that are the people who I was trying to get rid of with the antics in the first place. You see, I don't need anybody. I'm not making any money off of this, so I can't remove this song. It's not going to let me. And so what I have to try to do is I have to try to do it again because the other one said the same thing. This is a 43-minute long video. Okay? It's saying, no, it ain't going to let me mute it. So it's taken me 2 days to remove songs from the other videos because they increase the songs, but they don't get to control the computer. I control the horizontal. I control the vertical. I control the wavy lines and the pixels. That's what I do. So I have taken it upon myself to go back and instead of redoing the videos, just removing the music so that you get to hear it live and in color. Now, let's get back to what I was saying about the video that I just talked to you guys about. The one where the young man is telling you the 4 things that are necessary with every case. With all that I have studied, all that I have known, everything that I have been through, he is 100% on the money, especially with the Tinsley case. Now go ahead, he's going to tell you about Tinsley, and you're going to hear it, and you're going to be like, what the? Okay? So you're going to need to know that because we've had quite a few cases. Now, you're going to bring this up and the judge is going to ignore you. So he gives you at the very beginning of the video how you handle an ignorant judge. Because judges are ignorant. Judges don't know anything. And, oh, by the way, they'll use these words against me in the future, but I can prove they don't know anything. Because if they knew better, they would understand they can't violate your rights under any circumstances. There is no law given any court the right to violate your right. Matter of fact, no person may infringe upon another's secured right. That is the law. Doesn't matter if they have a statute. The law says that no one may infringe upon another person's rights. That's the law. It's a common law. The common law is not no cases in England and all that bull crap. Ladies and gentlemen, many people, including the courts, will tell you that the common law is the common law of the stupid courts. And it dates back to England and we borrowed it from England. That's a bunch of bull. Excuse me. Let me explain to you guys about the common law. When the people left England and they formulated those colonies, Virginia and all the other colonies that they formulated, ladies and gentlemen, the laws of the colonies were not the laws of England. They didn't bring that junk with them. No, the laws of the colonies were the laws that were established by the colonists when they came here. Originally, it was biblical, but they can't tell you that. They can't tell you that those individuals were following scripture and following the basics of the 10 Commandments. Man, do you know what that would do to this country? They'll say that that's religion, and it has nothing to do with religion. Come on. Nope, it won't let me get rid of the song. It won't let me get rid of the song, so I can't get rid of the song. I ain't doing that. That'll mute the whole video. I ain't muting everything. It won't let me get rid of the song, so I'll eventually try to do this video over again. There can be no foreclosure on a consumer credit transaction, your home loan. Take a look at it. Follow the steps in the video. My videos are demonstrative. So go where I go. Try to listen to what's being said. But I assure you that I didn't increase the volume that way. If you watch the video, you see me decreasing the volume on purpose. Okay? It's live and in color. So when I went back and I just was trying to play a couple of them and I heard how loud they were, man, disappointed, but I'm used to that. They've done that before. This ain't the first time. Sorry, I can't. It won't even let me shut this out. I have to refresh the screen. So while that's doing that, I'm going to minimize this because I don't need this no more. Y'all don't mind? I don't mind. That's why I'm doing it. All right. Now, we got this video, but this is not the video I want to show y'all. Hold on. I got to move this out of the way because he in my way. Look here, homie. You go on over there for a second. Okay. This is the video. This is a BitChute video, ladies and gentlemen. Now, that's the first one. The Legal Industry Secrets. YouTube. But this one is on BitChute. And we're going to play this one from the beginning. We're going to play about 5 minutes of this one. So this one, the volume going to be turned up. So y'all can hear it, okay? Want y'all to pay them attention. Pay them attention. Okay? Because I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you're used to. Okay, that's Humpty. Okay, that's what Humpty says. So y'all pay attention. Uh-oh, I guess it don't want to play. Hold on. Give it a second. I see what the problem is. See that X right there? That means the page hasn't fully developed. Okay. The deep state coup on Trump continues. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys don't get off of that crack cocaine, everything that's going on with Trump is by design. It's a distraction. If y'all pay attention to that bull crap, go ahead and pay attention. When Trump was in his motorcade, there was a military helicopter hovering above to clear the way in front of him, to make sure that there wasn't anything in front of him unusual. A military helicopter. What is a military helicopter doing engaged in a civil matter? No, don't you dare. Don't y'all dare. Don't y'all dare. All right, in this video, you're going to hear them say, no, the legal video, you're going to hear them say the gold fringe flag doesn't matter. The Attorney General in 1925 says it most certainly matters. Okay, it says it doesn't matter if the flag is flown in the court that their jurisdiction is conferred by another means. No, it isn't. Jurisdiction is conferred. He was correct when he said jurisdiction is conferred by your submitting to the court's jurisdiction. Okay, it's not a matter of your walking through the galley. It is not a matter of your being present in the room. Jurisdiction is conferred several ways because, see, they have to make sure. They can't just presume jurisdiction. There has to be a preponderance of evidence. So first, you walk into the court. Second, you rise when they say rise, and you sit when they say sit. You're obeying the commands. You are submitting to the jurisdiction of the court. Then the next thing, they call your name, you cometh forth. And then they ask you, are you blah, 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 blah. You are responding without saying, excuse me. Before you start asking me questions, I have some of my own. I need you to establish jurisdiction. Who are you? What is your name? What is your capacity? And do you have an oath of office that you can present to let me know that you are sitting in a constitutional capacity? Now, if you can't provide that, you can kiss my... I'm sorry, I apologize. Ladies and gentlemen, then after you sit up there and you plead guilty, not guilty, that's how they're conferring jurisdiction. Preponderance of evidence. You have done all of these acts and or actions showing that you have not objected to the jurisdiction. First words out of your mouth is, excuse me, what are you doing? No, you don't get to jump to those conclusions. What's the jurisdiction of this body? What's the jurisdiction? The statutory jurisdiction. Excuse me, I got a copy of the Constitution right here. Can you show me where I can find that statutory jurisdiction so I can read up on it? Because I read this thing several times and I ain't read nothing about no statutory jurisdiction. What'd you say? What jurisdiction? Original jurisdiction? Original jurisdiction? No, the original jurisdiction is with the Supreme Court of the United States. Yeah, the Constitution says the Supreme Court of the United States has original jurisdiction. No, I'm asking you, what is your jurisdiction? You tell me what the precise jurisdiction is. Original jurisdiction is a general jurisdiction. No, I don't want you to tell me no general jurisdiction. I want the specific subject matter, in rem, in personam. And where's the witness that's going to testify? No, there has to be a witness here. You can't have no arraignment. There's nothing in the Constitution about an arraignment. You want to do an arraignment, you got to have all the pieces in place. So let's make sure you have all the pieces in place so you can prove you got jurisdiction. Oh, you don't want to hear an argument? Well, then stop arguing with me and provide what the law requires. Okay. Now, with that being said, go back and listen to that video. Ladies and gentlemen, this video is showing 0000. Okay, this is on Rumble. Rumble, what's up with y'all? How come this video is 0000? Ladies and gentlemen, this video should not be 000. There we go. Whew. This is the video. So we're going to play this from the beginning, all right? Because all around...
It's part of the company, really.
Okay.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I haven't listened to a lot of the video, but he's talking to a broker. He's talking to a broker. What's a broker? Well, it's somebody who doesn't work in a hospital. Okay? All right. Now, as he's talking to this person I perceive is a broker, I want you all to pay attention to what conversation they're having. They're talking about the birth certificate. The city and county of San Francisco. The city and county of San Francisco? Because he lived in the city and the county. See, my birth certificate just says the county of Los Angeles. It doesn't say the city and county of Los Angeles, but his was in Northern California. It could say that. Okay, that's the first thing that y'all need to understand. Then it's got the California seal right here in the middle. Then it's got this seal, this seal. See, 4 different seals. 1, 2, 3, and where's the notary seal? Down there. See, notary seal. So 4 different seals on this document. See, notary seal. All right. Then they got 4 different signatures. 1, 2, 3, and where's the other signature? 4 different signatures. This document. All these people agreeing, mama, and then the other 3, they witnesses to this thing right here. This is on bond paper. It's not on any other type of paper. When you get it from the county, you get it from the state, you get it from anyone. It's on bond paper. If it's in a so-called original, because it's not an original, it's a copy. They print it from a printer. How's it an original if they print it from a printer? Because they put an original seal on it. That's what makes it original, okay?
But it is something that's listed on the stock exchange as K.
Yeah, it does pull up under that.
And does it have a value associated with it?
Yes, but I don't think this is correct. I don't even think that it actually... I mean, it's saying that it's $1 million, which is not right.
Why would that be incorrect in your estimation?
Well, because it's showing underneath that 0%, and it's not showing anything that it closed on.
I see.
So if it existed, it would have closed on an amount from yesterday.
But it's saying that it is on the stock exchange, and that's claiming that it's $1 million in value?
Yes. But I honestly don't think it's correct. I've never seen something like this before. So.
Okay.
There's a couple other letters too. I don't know if this is right or not. At the very end of part of the description, it says PVT.
Private.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is that? That's at the end of the 5?
No, it actually is in the description that comes up after I enter in the number.
Oh, is there anything else in the description?
Yeah, in fact, I'll give you the whole thing here. It's UPL-OP2.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take the link to this video that this young man did, and I'm going to put it in the description of this video so you can go and you can listen. I don't want to play it now. Leave me alone. I just downloaded it. This is Cuckoo, COC, Cuckoo web browser. It allows me to do exactly that. I said I don't want to play it right now. Get on out of here. All right. I'm going to put the link in so that you can have access to it, so that you can hear for yourself, because many people have told you that it is not a bond. Ladies and gentlemen, your birth certificate is not a bond, okay? Then what you talking about? He talking to a guy right now talking about it is a bond. No, it's not a bond unless it's traded on the market. I said not a bond, not a security. Sorry, not a security. It's not a security. It is a bond. It has all the characteristics of a bond. Go ahead and take a look at it. Look up what the characteristics of a bond are. Find it on your birth certificate. That's the first thing you're going to do. Second thing, it is a security, but it is not a security when you're holding it in your hand. That's not a security. A security is what's traded on the market. That's why getting your QSIP number from the fidelity.com is what you need to do. Every last one of you. Every last one of you. That's how you prove your birth certificate is a bond. Now, how do you take control of that security? Well, you see how it says it's private. The trading of his security is private. So how can they trade his security on the market? Privately. Because he hasn't taken control of the securities. But he can claim the rights to that security. He has to do an affidavit and put it on the public record. Minnesota Court Rule 220. Once you do that, once you document that that is your property, now you can sue whoever's trading it on the market. That's securities fraud. Ladies and gentlemen, somebody can't take your security and then trade it. You say, well, you guys do it with your side packs, you just put a number on it. But we have an agreement. See, they don't have an agreement with you to trade your security in the market because they're making profits off of it. Go ahead. They're trading on the market. You're not getting any money. You're not getting a dime. That's the state property. And all of you who are filing bankruptcy, you need to be filing your birth certificate on the record of the bankruptcy. Say what? That's your property. You have to attach an affidavit and attach your birth certificate to the bankruptcy. It's your property. It's an asset. Some of y'all ain't hearing me though. Now look, I gotta go because I got a meeting in less than 5. I just thought I'd do this video to let y'all know what y'all got going on with